Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get this party started. Thank you, universe, for my ability to see the unseen, aka imagination. For my passion, my drive, and my determination. Thank you for my ability to create. If you're not grateful for your ability to create, one day you're gonna wake up and you're not gonna have anything to say. Go rising, go rising, go rising. Let's go. Because life is good, life is good, life is great, okay? Life is great. And every day we what? Every day we elevate. Because we're not afraid. Afraid of what? Every day, in every way, we become better and better, okay? We become better and better. We are in a constant state of awakening, in a constant state of awakening. We're always learning, we're always elevating. And this moment, like every other moment, is a great moment if you know what to do with it. And it's another day, and we're still here. I'm decalcifying my pineal gland so I can see clear. It's another day, as you all know. I'm out here, as usual, connected with the elements, following my intuition, because he knows it all. Be kind always. For everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Be kind always. For everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Kindness and respect opens every door. Kindness and respect opens every door. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Sonder, S-O-N-D-E-R, sonder. The realization that each passerby is living a life as vivid and complex as your own. Treat others like you like to be treated. Treat others like you like to be treated, okay? Treat others like you like to be treated, because the energy that you're giving off is recognized by the nature around you, okay? The energy that you're giving off is recognized by the nature around you. The most important interaction you can have is with yourself, okay? And you are constantly interacting with yourself. Doesn't matter if you're interacting with somebody else, you're part of it. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say, treat others like you like to be treated. Because how you treat others is eventually how you treating yourself, because you're part of it, right? You're part of it. If I'm sending good energy your way, I'm experiencing that energy right now. The same energy that I'm sending your way is running through my body right now. And the abundance in your life, is magnified by every other person, This way. Oh, you wanna go that way? By every other person through whom you let it flow. You gotta let your energy flow, okay? Because energy seeks movement. Okay? Keep it moving, okay? Keep it moving, okay? If you wanna change how you feel, change your state. Move your body, okay? Move your body, because your body is the subconscious mind, okay? Your body is the subconscious mind. So when you connect with your feelings, right, you're not thinking as much. And that is the idea. My friends, not to think as much. That's the whole point. That's the whole point of life, okay? Because life is a feeling, okay? Life is a feeling. And how you feel affects the feel around you, okay? How you feel. You gotta take care of how you feel first, okay? Take care of your frequency first. Pick your frequency. Which frequency do you wanna vibrate to, okay? Because when your heart and your mind are in true alignment, I saw an angel. A number, but it's an angel. Says hello. Numbers are angels, by the way. Letters come from numbers. Numbers are powerful. Forgot what I was saying. But it's a nice view. Life is a choice, okay? Life is a choice, and it is your choice. And you can always make the best out of the worst. Because you can always choose how to feel, okay? You can change any situation around just by smiling at it, okay? Just by being grateful, okay? Gratitude is the key. You know the key that opens the door. Hey, producer, give me some WD-40, man. That door is making noises. Gratitude is the key that opens the door. You see? That opens the door to abundance, okay? Gratitude is the foundation to all abundance. Why? Because when you're grateful for what you have, the universe will send you more, okay? And gratitude is the attitude. Okay? Gratitude is appreciation, and appreciation is love. Doesn't matter what you have. If you're not appreciating it, you are in a state of lack, okay? And nah, because you got a lot of things, to be grateful for. Focus on your blessings and you will see them, okay? Focus on your blessings and you will see them. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate your own being. Because I appreciate you. And so does the universe, okay? You are divinely guided. You are protected. The whole entire universe is working on your favor, okay? Allow the universal river of abundance to run naturally forward. And trust. You gotta trust. Trust whatever is unfolding. Unfolding. Trust whatever is unfolding in your life right now. You're making me laugh. Trust whatever is unfolding in your life right now as natural to the cycles of transformation and change, and know that is all for a higher purpose, okay? Everything's working out in your favor, okay? Everything is. But you gotta have faith. You gotta believe that it's working out in your favor. And it will, okay? Believe and you will see. Believe and you will see. When you believe in the impossible, you make the invisible visible, okay? You got this. Believe in yourself. Believe in what you're doing. Trust the universe. Trust the process, okay? Just because you don't see the universe working, that doesn't mean that it's not working. You gotta have trust. And keep the faith alive, because if faith got you here, faith is gonna take you there. Faith is all it takes, my friend. Faith is all it takes. Stay true to yourself. Stay blessed. And God will take care of the rest. Peace.